So I wanted to show this graph because I think it illustrates really well what's happening with obesity in the last few years. So this is the prevalence of overweight obesity and severe obesity in adult US people, so between 20 to 74 years. So it's really interesting to see how, like, around 1980s, the obesity rates have been increasing pretty dramatically. They've been increasing and increasing and increasing, and it's been really difficult to find something that will at least flatten this curve. So there's been multiple public health initiatives, millions of dollars dedicated to obesity research to try to find a way of ameliorating these very, very high rates of obesity. And unfortunately, there's been absolutely nothing that has been able to prevent or treat obesity effectively. We have different strategies, from lifestyle strategies to medications to surgeries. And despite all of those efforts, we have not been able to make this curve flatten or decrease. Obesity is an extremely complex multifactorial disease. I'm going to explain that later. And that is why it's so difficult to treat. So the US obesity prevalence nowadays, there's not a lot of official data for today, but the last that we have is that the US obesity prevalence is around 42%. So if you think about that, almost half of the US adults, almost half, it's 42%, are in the obesity category, and that is alarming.